Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to edit PDF document. By editing PDF document, I mean you can add text, you can edit text, you can add images, shapes, or freehand annotations to a PDF document. You can edit the size, the fonts, the color of the added content within the PDF document that you've added. So to start with, we're going to do this using a very free platform, which is IlovePDF.com. It's a free platform, free software that you can use to edit your PDF. To access IlovePDF, all you need is to come to your browser, anywhere within your browser, and just type IlovePDF.com, just like that, and you can hit on enter. You're brought into this very platform. Now you can see there are a series of other features that you can access within IlovePDF. If you're interested in using any of them, you can just go ahead and try on your own. But for our own case, our choice is Edit PDF. So you can just go ahead and click on Edit PDF. Now you can select the file directly that you want to edit from here, the PDF file, or you can drag and drop the PDF file into this platform, or alternatively, you can import it from any of these platforms, either from Google Drive or Dropbox. For this tutorial, we're going to import the file directly. So we can select here, select any of the files. For this case, I'm going to import this how to use ChatGPT, this sample PDF 3. So I can just click on open. Now you can see I've added my PDF document into this very platform. Now you can see it complete. You can have more than one pages if you're interested. So the first thing you need to understand is that you have the page numbers over here. You can navigate between pages. You can move to previous page or to the next page with this very click. Now over here, you have the pan tool. You can click on it to enable it, and you can use it to move into the document directly like this. Just like the way you use your scroll bar, you can use the hand tool as well to move across within the document. Alternatively, you can uncheck this and you back to your mouse tool, and then you have the zoom in and zoom out and the zoom in tool. You can zoom out and zoom in for clarity to know what you are editing and so on. Now, this is the fit page. This enables you to fit the document to the entire page. Directly, you can just click it and everything now is fit to the entire page. Earlier on, we have it zoomed out to more than the page, maybe to see more of the text. But right now, we can fit it to the entire screen to fit in the place that we have. Okay, so you can see we have it fitted into our screen. Now, the next one is the add text feature. If you want to add any text here, you can just click on this and the text feature, text box is enabled over here. So you can see add your text here. So for example, I just want to add welcome to my channel, for example. All right, so welcome to my channel. And so I can say, please remember to subscribe. So this is the text I have written. I can double click to select all the text. And one thing you should see here, I have the size. I can increase the sizes. Okay, I can make it 144 and it's going to look big. But I can reduce it to maybe something like 18, too small. This is too small, so you can select and let's go to, let's say 48. All right, so let's say I'm happy with this. Over the next here, you can bold. If you want to bold the text, you can italize, you can underline, and you have the option to change the color. So let's say I don't want to underline and I don't want to italize, and I can just select it. And let's say I want to change the color. So this is black at the moment. You have all the other colors that you can add directly. So let's go with something like blue. I like blue. So you can change the background color as well if you want to change it. This is you can make it transparent or you can make it purely white, and you can see your blue color actually pops out. So over here, you have the alignment option. You can align left, right, center to make sure your text is well aligned. So let's say we align everything to the center. And then here is opacity. You can play around with the opacity within the text. This is like right now 100% opacity. You can click and make it 25%, which is going to dim the text to nearly invisible. But I prefer to leave everything at 100 for clarity. Now over here, you can remove the text if you want to remove it. But at this moment, I want to keep it. So I can click out, click again, and I can move it to a particular location. Alternatively, if you want to reduce the size of this, you can always come to the edges. You can drag and you can see it has reduced the size a bit of the box. Okay, so you can see you can position it anywhere you want. So let's say I position it over here. All right, so once you click out, if you want to edit at any given moment, you can always come back and click again to access the text editing features. Now you've added something. Now the next thing is you can see you can add an image. So you can click on this to import an image within your system. So let's say over here, I have this image of Figma. I can just select it as an example and import it. Now once you import, you can play around with the opacity. You can rotate it left or right, and you can delete if you're interested. Alternatively, you can select and you can come to the edges and drag it to make it smaller and put it at the bottom here, just to serve like something like a stamp or a landmark or something. The next one here, you can draw, okay, within the document. You can select, you can choose the color of the pen, then you can choose the size of the pen that you want to use. For example, right now it's 4 points, you can increase 2 points or to 7 points or thereabout. In each case, if you try to write, you'll be able to see the text, the size of the pen. If you're not comfortable, you can reduce the size so it becomes much more thinner, and you can see you get the message. Now once you're done, you can click out, click the draw button again, or you can click on this. You can click on this apply now to accept everything that you've drawn. If at any given point you decide to delete something within the draw feature, you can select it and then you can come over and delete directly and easily like this. Now the next one here is you can add shapes of different types. You can see you can add lines of different types. You can change the thickness, you can change the points as well, and you can change the color as well. You can still come back, you can add rectangle, you can add circle, you can add simple symbols directly from here, from emojis of different types. You can just select over here and you can see you've added something. So these are very basic text edits that you can do within your PDF document. In each case, at any given point, if you decide to play around with some of the features that you've added, you can see the elements that you've added from here. With one click, you can remove everything from the added document, or you can edit you can rename this if you want to rename it. You can rename this as well. You can rename this if you are interested. Or as you select on any, you'll be able to see the feature that you are dealing with. Okay, and you can see the feature to edit. If you select it, also you can edit it directly from here. Okay, so once you're done with this, to edit the PDF, you can say edit PDF. And right now, everything is being captured within that existing PDF. So it's going to be downloaded for you automatic. If it hasn't, you can download directly from here. And you can always remember to delete it from the platform. And once you click on this, you'll be able to see the results, and you can double click to see the result of what you have added. Okay, so this concludes this tutorial about editing PDF document within a very free platform called IlovePDF. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.